Welcome my channel TechonGadgets Daily. Join me as I explore digital marketing. I want to find the secret to success. Can I discover it and try it out? In today's fast-paced business world, a strong digital marketing strategy is essential. It is no longer just a nice-to-have. It is a must-have. Your competition is already online. If you are not, you're missing a big chance. You can connect with your target audience, raise brand awareness, and boost sales. Let's face it, the digital marketing landscape is cluttered and competitive. With so many brands vying for attention, it's easy to get lost in the noise. One of the biggest challenges businesses face is cutting through that noise and getting noticed. Another challenge is measuring the effectiveness of your digital marketing efforts. How do you know what's working and what's not? Then there's the issue of staying up to date with the latest trends and algorithm changes. It's a moving target, and it can be overwhelming. Many businesses struggle to create content that resonates with their target audience. Let's face it, digital marketing is overwhelming. From social media platforms to email campaigns, SEO, PPC ads, and content creation, it's hard to know where to focus. Ever feel like you're doing everything but getting nothing in return? Visual, person frustrated, staring at a computer screen full of analytics. Host, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a proven way to streamline your efforts and get results? Segment 2. The Secret Revealed, SEO Strategy Focus. Background. Calm, organized desk with a laptop displaying Google Analytics and a content calendar. The secret to digital marketing success? It's mastering SEO-driven content strategy. Why? Because no matter how flashy your ads are or how often you post, if people can't find you when they search, you're invisible. Visual, Google search bar being typed into, with results appearing for a relevant keyword. SEO, or search engine optimization, ensures your business is seen by the right audience at the right time. And here's how to do it. Step-by-step blueprint. Host. Step 1. Keyword research. Find out what your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords. Visual. Screen recording of keyword research using SEMrush. Host. Step 2. Create quality content. Google prioritizes value. Create blogs, videos, and infographics that answer your audience's questions. Use your keywords naturally. Don't stuff them. Visual. A blog post draft being edited with keywords highlighted. Step 3. Optimize for on-page SEO. Make sure your titles, meta descriptions, headers, and URLs include your keywords. And don't forget alt tags for images. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Host. Step 4. Focus on user experience, UX. A fast-loading website, mobile-friendly design, and easy navigation make a huge difference. Google loves sites that keep visitors engaged. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Collaborate with other creators, guest post, or get featured in online articles to boost your domain authority. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Visual. Emails being sent for guest posting opportunities. Take Sarah, for example. She might be creating content that they think is valuable, but it's not speaking to the needs and pain points of their audience. This leads to a lack of engagement and ultimately a lack of conversions. And let's not forget about the technical aspects of digital marketing, such as website optimization and user experience. These are crucial elements that can make or break your digital marketing efforts. In today's digital landscape, you need to be consistent, persistent, and patient. You need to be willing to experiment, test, and iterate. You need to be willing to fail, learn from your mistakes, and try again. So, what's the secret to digital marketing success? Well, it starts with having a deep understanding of your target audience. You need to know their pain points, their needs, their desires. You need to know what keeps them up at night and what gets them excited in the morning. From there, you can start creating content that speaks to them on a deep level. You can create content that resonates, content that inspires, and content that educates. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Another key strategy is to focus on building relationships rather than just trying to make a quick sale. You need to build trust, credibility, and authority in your industry. You need to be seen as a thought leader, someone who is knowledgeable and passionate about what they do. This can be achieved through consistent blogging, social media engagement, email marketing, and more. You also need to have a solid understanding of search engine optimization, or SEO. You need to know how to optimize your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages. This is crucial for getting your content seen by a wider audience and driving organic traffic to your website. Finally, you need the right tools and technology. These will help you track your progress and measure your results. This way, you can make decisions based on data. But there's one critical insight that can make a significant difference in your digital marketing outcomes. It's the importance of having a customer-centric approach. You see, many businesses are so focused on their own goals and objectives that they forget about the needs of their customers. They create content that's all about them, rather than creating content that speaks to the needs and pain points of their audience. This is a major mistake, and it's one that can be fatal to your digital marketing efforts. When you focus on your customers, rather than just your business, you start to create content that resonates on a deeper level. You start to build relationships that are meaningful and lasting, and you start to drive results that are truly exceptional. So, don't just focus on your business goals. Focus on your customers. Focus on their needs, their pain points, and their desires. This is the secret to digital marketing success. In summary, achieving digital marketing success is not about having a magic formula or a secret sauce. It's about understanding your target audience, creating content that resonates, building relationships, and having a customer-centric approach. It's about being consistent, persistent, and patient, and being willing to experiment, test, and iterate. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's been your biggest challenge in achieving digital marketing success? Share your experiences, and let's continue the conversation. If you want to improve your digital marketing, watch my next video. It covers advanced digital marketing techniques. Thanks for watching.